did was shortly before we launched Seismic, we commissioned a study of this sector of investments, and our studies analyzed about 35,500 startups that failed because we needed to know the answer precisely so that we could somehow address it. The study found that that among the main reasons why startup failed were two. One was lack of funding and investment, which is no surprise, but the other was also internal organizational challenge. Things like the startups were spending too much time and money running themselves, or were unable to run themselves well, or as well as they needed to be competitive in that very, very competitive environment. So we found that empirical study, that 35,500 companies, we found that to be actually a point of opportunity for us, because what we do at Seismic, as Stephen talked about a little bit earlier, and Eric, is that we've structured Seismic to help our portfolio companies succeed. We provide them, again, as Stephen noted, we provide them with steady, wise, patient funding, and we provide them with a team of advisors and back office services to help the companies achieve their maximum efficiency. That way, with what Stephen discussed, is the back office support, the founders who have those brilliant ideas, who have that drive, who have been identified by Eric, whose finances are being reviewed by Alice, and those people can focus on what they do best, and we can help them. We can take off their plate the things that are just distracting them from their focus. Then again, we go even further, because what we do is we provide the companies with this entire ecosystem of other companies that we're involved with, and we allow them to interact, not only allow, but we encourage them to interact with each other. And that becomes a pool in which they can learn, innovate, and benefit from each other. So we understand the failures, we understand the reasons for failure, but I think we've seized that as an opportunity, and we see that as, in fact, it's the reason we structured Seismic as we did.